Hi there, customer experience community. This is Dominic. Welcome to another video. Today, we're going to look at a Zendesk app, a native Zendesk app, which is called Proactive Tickets app. It's been developed by Zendesk, and yeah, we're going to take a look at it. We've never installed it, never used it, but somebody asked it, and I thought, why not just make a video of it? Before we begin, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel and comment if you wanted to see some special content. And let's go. I'm going to share my screen and we're going to look at the Proactive Tickets app. Again, I don't know what this is. So share screen. Here we go. Hopefully you can see my screen now. So Proactive Tickets app. Let's click it. Okay. 2 out of 5 stars. Ooh. That's not a good indicator. Okay. The Proactive Tickets app helps build better relationships with your customers by allowing you to proactively reach out to them via Zendesk support tickets. Kind of like a marketing thing, right? So you don't necessarily use a third party to do marketing. To send emails on behalf of, like a, a regular campaign creator, like Sendinblue, MailChimp, and Klaviyo. I don't know, there's a gazillion out there. The app allows you to generate a list of your users based on any searchable user field, and then create tickets on their behalf. What does this mean? Searchable user field. Features in version 2 include new user interface that uses the API to search through your users, search on verified users, ability to specify a macro to run when tickets are created. Not very, not very straightforward. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Stretched image. Okay. Does look very good. Name your campaign name. And I put a subject, I put a description, like the body, right? And then I assign it to someone. I put a tag, measure. Okay, cool. So yeah, let's install it. Let's put our domain. Sign in. All right, this is going to directly take me to where I am to install it. So proactive tickets, status, ticket ID. The ID of the status ticket field. Go to admin, click ticket field, search for status, and copy the ID under field column ID. Okay. So let's do admin. Let's go to objects, fields, right? This is what it says. And look for status. Ticket status. Is this the one? Yeah, this is the one. Okay. So this is the ticket ID. But anyway, you can see it here as well. So I go to field status. This is the ID. I copy it, right? Copy. I go here. I introduce it. You would think that because it's a natively Zendesk app, you'd recognize the ticket field ID, huh? Number of users per page. I'm greedy. I want 100. Enable role restrictions. No, thank you. Install another. I didn't install it. I just realized that, why don't I just make a video about it when I was actually installing it? So let's see. Okay. Where is it? Here it is, proactive tickets. So essentially, now I'm supposed to go to support. And okay. Uh get this in this mobile app. No, I don't want this now. So what does this now do? Do I see it here? This is my regular. No, it's not here. Okay, so it says that I have to search for users. Um, I don't know. Let's look for Paul. And I go to users and I'm finding okay, so well, okay. Where is this app? Proactive tickets. Ah, it's here. Okay. Okay. Invalid status ticket. field ID. Ensure that you have saved the correct status ticket field ID in order to use this app. Really? Why would you think it's not okay? Well, what's wrong? Let's go to status ticket field ID, status ticket, the ID of the status ticket field. Go to admin, click the ticket field, search for status, and copy the ID under field ID column. That's what we did. Field ID, here it is. Copy. Again, it's a standard field, by the way. Oh, pasting it again. Paste. Yep, same. Number, fine, let's do 20. Maybe that's the problem. Update. Okay, refresh the screen. Just to, like a very good admin that we are. We have to refresh the screen each time. Let's refresh the screen. Nope. All right, so we did everything was needed. This doesn't work. Yeah, I I I should you know what? Actually, this is like a vlog thing. So, customer experience challenge number 5,332. You make a video and it's not successful because the app doesn't work. So, what do? Do you delete the whole footage? Well, no, because this is part of the life of a customer experience expert, enthusiast like myself, I can't just I don't only have successes, I have fails like this one. So it's not even my fault this time, I hope. Um yeah, so I guess I'll see you in the next one. Bye.